All right, guys, if you're a veteran or know a veteran, pay attention. This is important, and I want you to pass it on. If you're not a veteran, please like the video, share it. This needs to get out to every veteran because this is information that we've been talking about since the Barack Obama administration, and unfortunately, it's time to act again. What if I told you that American veterans, our heroes, are being stripped of their Second Amendment rights just for seeking help managing their benefits? It's been happening. Like I said, this channel's been covering it since Obama did it, and we've been fighting it since. But there's now finally a bill in Congress that aims to put an end to this unconstitutional practice once and for all that can actually pass. Welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, my friends. This is your premier source for Second Amendment news. If you support the right to keep and bear arms for every American, then hit the subscribe button down below, the red rectangle. It's free, doesn't cost you a penny. And America just stopped making pennies last night. And turn on the bell notification so that you never miss an update. I want to give a big thank you to the sponsor of the video. It's Attorneys on Retainer. I'm going to pause real quick, soapbox time. I've seen the comments. I've heard your concerns. What I'm going to say is, guys, you all know me. I've been doing this for 11 plus years. You know that I don't agree with everything Mark, the individual, says. But what I will tell you, it's the best damn program in this country. If you're a gun owner looking for real legal protection, if you carry a firearm for self-defense, I strongly suggest that you check out Attorneys on Retainer. Go to the website, link is right down below, and just learn how different they are from everybody else. After dealing with other companies and learning the hard way about limitations on insurance coverage, I now trust AOR to have my back. God forbid I ever have to defend myself or a loved one. And if you're like me, you're ready to do it every day of your life. AOR is not backed by an insurance company. It's an actual law firm in Arizona. So they don't have to follow the same restrictions and limitations as other insurance-backed companies. Andy Marcantel was in New York City defending one of their members in a very big case. And there's not another group out there that can do that because most of them don't even cover New York. So, guys, check them out. There's a whole bunch of instances where they will cover you when no other company or group or association or organization will. And when you call them, if you're a member, your attorney-client privilege starts right away because you're talking to an attorney. If you want to join right now and cover you or your family, I can save you $50 off your individual sign-up fee or $25 off your family plan sign-up fee if you use my link down below and use my code GNG. Check it out. Link is down below. Get serious about defending yourself. Check out Attorneys on Retainer. All right, right now, under the VA's interpretation of the law, veterans who need help managing their VA benefits can have their names added to the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check system, stripping them of their right to own or purchase firearms. No crime committed, no due process, just bureaucrats deciding who gets to exercise their constitutional rights. And this isn't some rare one-off situation, it's their policy. If a veteran is assigned a fiduciary to assist them with their benefits, and you can get a fiduciary for many, many reasons. But if you get one from the VA, they automatically send your name to the NICS system, barring you from firearm ownership for the rest of your life. And thankfully, Senator John Kennedy of Louisiana has been fighting this tooth and nail, and Jerry Moran of Kansas has joined him, leading the charge to fix this injustice. They've introduced the Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act. It's a bill that will ensure that veterans do not lose their rights just because they seek financial assistance through the VA. The bill is simple. The Secretary of Veteran Affairs cannot send veterans' information to the FBI background check system unless a judge determines that that individual is a danger to themselves or others. In other words, no more bureaucratic overreach, no more unconstitutional gun grabs, no more backdoor gun control. This legislation is backed by some heavy hitters, including the Vietnam Veterans of America, Gun Owners of America, the National Shooting Sports Foundation, the National Rifle Association, even major veterans organizations like the VFW and the American Legion are on board because they know that this policy discourages veterans from from seeking benefits they've earned. I mean, why would you go ask for help if you know that group that's supposed to help you is just going to have you become a prohibited person because you need help with some money issues? Now, this isn't the first time that lawmakers have tried to fix this problem. I told you I've been reporting on this for years. Senator Kennedy originally introduced this bill in the 116th Congress, and he reintroduced it in the 118th with bipartisan support. And in October of 2023, I reported that we had a victory in this, although we're here again because it was a temporary version and it was passed as part of the Consolidated Appropriations Act. That's when Congress members stick something to a must-pass bill like they're contemplating doing with reciprocity. But here's the catch. That solution for what we're talking about now was temporary, and it kind of tied itself to other things that are expiring with that, need a new budget type deal. Now, the Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act will make this fix permanent, ensuring that future VA administrations can't undo the progress made to protect veterans' rights. This is more than just gun rights, guys. This is about due process and basic fairness. Veterans serve this country. They risk their lives for our freedoms, and they should not be forced to choose between receiving VA benefits that they've earned and keeping their constitutional rights that they fought for. I mean, we cannot allow unelected bureaucrats to dictate who gets to exercise their Second Amendment. That's why this bill needs our support. Now, here's where you come in. Contact your senators and your representatives and demand that they support the Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act. This is one of those fights where every single call, every single email, and everybody's voice matters. This, like I said, has been submitted in the Senate as well as in the House, and with the Republican majority, even with that slim majority in the Senate, this makes so much sense that it should pass no matter what. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think the bill will pass? Or will the anti-gun lobby try to kill it? I actually want to hear your thoughts, specifically if you are one of our heroes, the veterans who fought for our country. Before we wrap up, again, check out Attorney's Arm Retainer. If you carry a gun to protect yourself or others, you owe it to yourself to have the best legal defense in case you ever have to defend yourself or others. And these guys are the ones that I want in my corner. And if you learn more about their program and just see through some of the stuff that's out there, I think you'll agree. All right, check them out. The link is down below. Don't forget to use my code GNG to save on your sign-up fee. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below and share this with all of your fellow patriots. The fight for our gun rights never stops, and neither will we. Stay safe, stay free, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, America.